Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be reacting to Sserafim, Antifragile. Okay, I see it's number 19 on trending music. Okay, these girlies right here, their music is like I think my favorite song is probably is it, I don't know if it's Blue Flame or Sour Grapes. I don't know which one. I think those are both their songs, right? Yeah. Blue Flame and Sour Grapes, they made the playlist. Those are my top songs. I love them. But yeah, we're gonna listen to Antifragile. I'm pretty sure I've heard maybe a snippet on accident, but I have no idea what it was. So calm down, don't click off. Dang, why are you clicking off? You're annoying. I'm about to watch it now. I told you I don't remember. Dang. I'm joking. But stay, please. Anyways, we're gonna start in 3, 2, 1, go. And we got captions on. Y'all can't see it though, sorry. Oh, already like it. Oh, it sounds sci-fi-ish, you know, the robot. Not the astronaut about to hit Earth. So relatable. No, I'm joking. This part, the TT part. That's it. Okay. Everyone's in this dystopian world nowadays. Yeonjin, she's my body, by the way. It's her vocals. Oh my gosh, it's too good. Ooh. Chill. Oh, I love that clip where it's just like the phone, her own phone, it looked like. Oh, I love this. The film looking kind of look. Y'all, did y'all hear that? It's too good. It's good. It's good. Oh, this part. Period. Love you. Her vocals. Sakura, girl, chill. Who is this? I don't know everyone's name, and it bothers me now because I like all of them. She's the ballet girl. Ooh. She said, I love that. Not the olive shaking. Oh my god. Yeah. Wait for it. Did they just get blown up? Did they just get smashed? What? Oh. Period. Oh. My bad. Oh, snap. They lived.
Sserafim.
No. Yo. Do you want to be forgiven? Yeah? What did I do? Now you know. If you're new to this channel, you know what this means. This means shut up. Shut your mouth. It's that good. Shut your mouth. It's that. Shut your mouth. Moment of silence. Lord, why did you have to make the song that good? Look me in los ojos. You didn't have to do me like that. It was so good. It was so good. That's added. Oh my God. Why would they? I'm sorry. Why would they do that? Oh my gosh. Love me, love me, love me. There's so many parts. There's so many parts that I remember. Oh. Yo. I feel like that's just I know I like a song whenever I remember the little parts. The little parts are so significant to me. Where they have that one, that just that little thing. Oh my gosh! And then they just build off of it. They just keep going, and they don't stop. And it's just like, oh my gosh, chill, please. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm sorry. I just be rambling, but it was good. It was good. I ramble when it's good. Is that what you want? Is that what you want to hear? Well, it's true. Hey! That song was a little bit too good. That's crazy. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm done. I gotta listen to it. Yo. I'm mad y'all don't be asking for these in the comments. Y'all don't be asking for these. I gotta look it up myself. Yeah. I don't like that. So in the comments, Los Ojos, you're gonna put down a comment in the comment section. And you're gonna put down a song that you like. Okay? It doesn't have to be a new song. Jesus freaking Christ. It ain't gotta be a debut, it ain't gotta be a new song, it ain't gotta be this year. You know what I mean? Put down a song that you like. It ain't even gotta be K-pop. I'll try my best to do international music or foreign music or American music. I don't freaking know. Whatever. You know what I mean? But it does get copyrighted. So I have to cut it up. So just be aware of that. But K-pop does not get cut up. That's why I react to it. But I like everything. Just put down your favorite song. That's it. Thank you. Or you can or you can subscribe. That's it. And you'll get more of this. Thank you. But you guys have a great rest of your day. I hope it extended your playlist as well. And I'll see you on the next one.